friends, welcome back to Lakisha Loves to Plan. If you are here on Monday, welcome back. It's Wednesday. I am working on my monthly and I'm so excited. I am going to be unboxing my VINVONALY December monthly subscription. If you haven't visited VINVONALY.com, go ahead on over there right now. Still leave me on for the watch time, but go ahead on over to VINVONALY.com. You'll be pleasantly surprised. I'm so excited. It's a faith-based shop that sells stickers and mugs and t-shirts and just keeps your Christian faith gear just up to date and beautiful. So today I'm also going to be talking about Advent. Advent is something of a tradition for Christians to celebrate the coming of Jesus as we prepare. So it usually starts December 1st and there is a lot of celebration. So I have Wikipedia up. So I'm going to be reading about Advent as I put this together after I share with you my VINVONALY monthly subscription. So I'm opening it right now. Look at this gorgeous paper. It's like this glossy paper and then this beautiful it's just beautiful. And I also can't wait to use that in one of my Christmas planners. And then I have these beautiful monthly kits. There are 4 monthly kits here, and I'm going to be using these scenes today. I want to create like a nativity scene on my monthly calendar, and this is my fave. Michelle from VINVONALY always includes a monthly challenge and a pamphlet to explain what the kit is about, and this kit is about who, what? My Jesus. Okay, so I'm so excited. And then here is a crossword puzzle from Luke 2 and 7, and I'm just going to do this just because it's so fun. And this tells me everything in the package. I'm going to put that there. And then look at this. I absolutely love this. This is a sticker Christmas countdown along with some journaling cards, and there's actually 4 journaling cards here, and they match the paper. So creative. And then y'all, look at my ornament with my name on it. What? So if you get this monthly kit, you will also get an ornament personalized with your name on it. How thoughtful is that? I just absolutely love it. And then Michelle always includes, I'm going to take these away so you can see, big beautiful die cuts that match the kits. And so this is the birth of Jesus, so you can see the theme here, and it's the nativity scene. So I'm definitely going to be using these to decorate my monthly. So this is a little different. Usually I use a regular weekly kit on my monthly, but this time I am going to be using this monthly kit. And then these are die cuts with sticky back, and you see the beautiful bows here. There's some pillows, even some macaroons, and I just love the colors. I love this word Merry Christmas, and these cups of hot cocoa, and this beautiful tree and fireplace. So y'all, you get all of this for like next to nothing. The price point is very reasonable, and you get all of this. And of course I'm going to be using this on multiple planners. Look at all of this, y'all. It is like crazy good. I'm so excited about using this today. So I'm going to take all of this away, and I'm just going to focus on now creating this scene. And as I create this scene using my VINVONALY stickers, I am going to be reading about Advent, because there are a lot of Christians that don't really know about Advent or what it is. I know I didn't, and then when I read about it and what it stands for and what it is, I absolutely love it. So I'm going to read that to you starting now. So if you want to get a pen and paper out and just take some notes, that's totally fine. And I'm going to start this layout with some washi. All my Christmas washi is in this tin. So I'm going to choose some washi from here, and then I'm going to get started. So Advent is a season of the liturgical year observed in most Christian denominations as a time of expectant waiting and preparation for both the celebration of the nativity of Christ at Christmas and the return of Christ at the second coming. Advent is the beginning of the liturgical year in Western Christianity and is part of the wider Christmas and holiday season. So the term Advent is also used in Eastern Orthodoxy for the 40-day nativity fast, which has practices different from those in the West. The name was adopted from the Latin adventus, coming, which means coming, an arrival. So if anybody asks you what does the word Advent mean, it means coming and it means arrival. In the New Testament, this is the term used for the second coming of Christ. Thus, the season of Advent in the Christian calendar anticipates the coming of Christ from three different perspectives: the physical, the nativity in Bethlehem when he came as a baby; the reception of Christ in the heart of the believers, so that's when you receive Christ in your heart. We call that the Holy Spirit. And the second coming, when Jesus is going to come at the end of time. So practices associated with Advent include keeping an Advent calendar. And so I'm excited. I have been working in my Advent calendar, you all. I have an Advent calendar in my Christmas planner. So I have been like writing little prayers every day in there. And that has been very uplifting and positive for me. Also lighting an Advent wreath. Now I don't have a Advent wreath, but when I typed it in Amazon, they have a lot of wreaths. So if you are interested in celebrating Advent, maybe this year, but even next year, to prepare for next year, go on Amazon. They do have some Advent wreaths on there. So I told my husband I wanted one for Christmas because I will save it for next Christmas. And then also praying an Advent daily devotional. And of course you have your Christmas tree and you have everything else that's Christmas, and you have your decorations, and it is a tradition. And you hang, green things up because green means growth. Green means prospering. Green means moving forward and just abundance. And so this is basically what Advent is. It's just an addition. So Christians who don't want Christmas to be only about material things or only about Santa, if you know that Jesus is the reason for the season and you want to do something special, I think Advent is like the perfect thing to do. And it's not in isolation. Like a lot of people and a lot of different denominations do recognize Advent as of tradition during the holidays. So I'm going to pause right here to just explain what I'm doing. So I am creating a scene here. As you can see, I'm pretty much done with my nativity scene. Michelle from VINVONALY just outdid herself with these beautiful die cuts, and then I have the angel on top of the whole scene. I absolutely love that. And then I'm going to use this page over here to do the Christmas scene. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this window right now, but these are all stickers. And then that chair, that's the king's chair. Okay, that's Jesus's chair. He's the king and he's coming. So I'm just going to jazz that up as well. So hopefully you'll get an idea that even if you have a monthly and you don't know what to do with it, I know a lot of people have monthlies in their planner, and this is my passion planner. I know a lot of people have monthlies in their planner and they don't know what to do with it. So even if you don't know what to do with your monthly, you can create a scene, or you can add pictures here and make it like a memory of the month. What I'm doing right now is I'm going to include this Christmas countdown here, and I'm going to already put the stickers on the days that have gone by. And I absolutely love the stickers. They're little poinsettias that go on top of the numbers. It's very cute and very thoughtful, and the sticker quality is awesome. So I'm going to do that, and that's part of Advent too. Is like counting down to Christmas. So when you celebrate Advent, there are candles. So 3 of the candles are purple, 1 is pink, and they both have a word that represents them. So I think the first one's the word is represented is hope, the second one is love, the second one is peace, the third one that is pink is joy, and the last one is love, something like that. And then you celebrate that every Sunday. So every Sunday you're supposed to light a candle and pray with your family and say devotionals. But in addition to that weekly like candle lighting, you can also track what you do and make some time for God every single day this month. That is another Advent practice. So I don't have the wreath and the candles yet. Hopefully I'll get them for Christmas. Oh my gosh, y'all, pause. Look at this. Isn't this adorbs? Look at this. It's so cute. This is the mini kit, y'all. This is the mini Christmas kit. Y'all got to run on over to VINVONALY.com. Use Lakisha 20 for 20% off because I am a PR person. So I have to use Sister Holiday right here. I'm going to put her down because she's so cute. I got to put Sister Holiday on here. And I love the words on top of the throne, the promised king. And I'm putting the Hanukkah. Hanukkah started already as well if you're Jewish. Kwanzaa is in the Passion Planner. That starts the day after Christmas. So here's Sister Holiday, y'all. Isn't she so cute? I love her. And I'm putting all of the presents and the turkey over here on Christmas Day. And so just marking a couple of days here on the calendar with these beautiful stickers. So comment below if you have any questions about Advent or even not any questions, but even if you just are interested, comment below if you're interested in celebrating Advent, really focusing on bringing Jesus into the season. And it really grounds me during this time when so much stuff is happening and so many, there's so many things that I am thinking about and people I'm thinking about and people I want to give gifts to. I have to remember that the ultimate gift is Jesus. So, you know, I'm excited about that. So I'm almost finished, y'all. I'm almost finished with this beautiful layout. I love the scriptures that are attached to the coming of Jesus. This VINVONALY kit is absolutely stunning. It is absolutely stunning. Like I cannot stop putting these stickers on here. So I'm just going to mark this. And when I set up a scene like this, I know you're like, well, Lakisha, where are you going to write? I'm going to write everywhere I don't have a sticker. Sometimes I write on top of the stickers, but I am going to try to write my monthly goals all throughout here, or write some inspiring affirmations, or write some prayers, some of my Advent prayers here. So I'm just giving you a quick close-up of what I've done, and so you can see these stunning die cuts and stickers in my Passion Planner. So yay! So comment below if you like this spread as well. I absolutely love it. I think it's gorgeous. So if you are celebrating Advent and if you like this spread, let me know. This is a beautiful pin from the Cuteness Boutique on Etsy. So, and that is an amazing accessory shop as well. So thanks so much, everyone. Talk to you later and Merry Christmas. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.